In today's video, we are going to cover how to view employee contact information in Gusto. Begin by logging into Gusto with your account. Once you are signed in, wait for the main dashboard to load so you can see the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This is where you will move into the employee directory and open the record you want to review. From the left sidebar, click People. This will take you to the area where employee profiles are listed. If your company has many employees, take a moment to find the correct person before opening their profile. Make sure you select the employee whose contact information you want to view, since the details you see next will belong only to that individual record. After you select the employee, you'll be taken into that employee's profile. Look for the information section within the employee record. Under Information, click Personal. This opens the part of the profile that contains personal details tied to that employee, including several contact fields and address information further down the page. Once you are on the Personal page, scroll down until you reach the Personal Information section. In this area, you can view the employee's personal contact details. Depending on what has been added to the profile, this section can include the personal email, the recovery email, and the phone number. These fields are presented for viewing within the employee record, so review each one here as needed. After checking the personal information section, continue scrolling further down the same page. As you move lower in the profile, you will come to the address section. Here, you can view the employee's current home address. This is listed separately from the email and phone details above, so continue down the page until that section appears on screen. Keep scrolling past the address details to find the employee's emergency contact information. This part of the personal page contains the contact information that has been added for the employee's emergency contact. If you need to confirm what is on file, this is the section to review. The full process stays within the same employee profile after you open it from the People tab. You start by going into People, choosing the correct employee, opening Personal under Information, and then moving down the page to see each category of contact details in order. If something is not visible right away, continue scrolling until the relevant section appears. You have now viewed the employee's personal email, recovery email, phone number, current home address, and emergency contact information in Gusto.